Are you looking for a reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Noblesville, Indiana? Look no further than Salty Dog Trash. We're your trusted local solution for all your waste disposal needs. Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing out the garage, or managing construction debris, Salty Dog Trash has you covered with a range of dumpster sizes to fit any project. Customer service is our priority. Our knowledgeable team is always here to answer any questions. We'll help guide you through the process, from choosing the right dumpster size to scheduling your rental. You can count on us to make waste disposal easy and efficient. Our team knows how important it is to keep your project on track. That's why we offer convenient and flexible rental periods. Whether you need a dumpster for a weekend or an extended period, we adjust to your schedule. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, you'll know exactly what to expect, making budgeting for waste disposal simple and stress-free. Ready to rent a dumpster in Noblesville, Indiana? Call Salty Dog Trash today at 317-660-5099 or visit us online at www.saltydogtrash.com. Dumpster Rental Noblesville, IN. Salty Dog Trash, your trusted dumpster rental experts in Noblesville, Indiana. Don't wait, get started now and keep your project running smoothly.